Welcome to Makriza Made Me Cook. My name is Ishmael Mkandla. Today I'm the presenter. I'm the guy who does the drone shots for Makriza Made Me Cook. All the drone shots that you see on the program, it's not me, it's the drone, but I'll be the pilot. So today on the program we are doing things a little different. We are doing a video about Luveve. We decided to take a tour of Luveve with Uzozo. Uzozo is the cinematographer. Some of the places, if you didn't know about them, you'll hear about them today, and also the history of the place. So namely, Chigumira, Luveve, Onyakuza. If you know, Nyakuza is one of the first business people to operate a supermarket, a small supermarket in Luveve. We've got Luveve Stadium, we've got Thembani Old People's Home, we've got Luveve Paito. Those are memorial places that have got a bit of history that comes with being in Luveve. It's one of the oldest suburbs. If you can hear, we spoke to Abadala and they shared a bit of history about the place, so they're going to be telling us even more. So join us on the journey of 11 hours in Luveve. Okay,
nangu Kasiani Mugomez. Ngifike lapha mina ngo-1967. Indlu le ngiphiwa ngo Mr. Gray owaye ngutown manager lapha. Ngingene lapha mhla ka-19 August 1967. Esakuzwayo thina ngoba vele mina ngathi nje ngafika lapha sokuzivele sokwakhiwe zona lezi izindlu esikhizo lezi. I-old Veve yiyo yaqalayo. Kwase ukubuya i-new Luveve le. Ngoba lapha i-new Luveve lapha kule mabranch imbizo lama-Chayiskov. I-old Luveve ngimafakela le Luveve primary. Luveve 5 le ngiyabona ngekani, was it not 1978? Ngibona ngani kwaku-90 siyakiwa le kwakungamasimi ethu lawo. Sasilima khonapha lokuthi inyamazana sasithiya khona kwakuliganga phela le gwabalanda yona le ukuthi kuphela i-old Luveve wabuya i-new Luveve. I-new Luveve le kwakule izindlu ezingama-cottage lezi kwakuhlala izisebenzi kahulumeni, ama-prosecutors, ama-magistrate babehlala khona. Babehlala khona vele ama-civil servants konke ekahulumeni kwakungumuzi wawo ikakule alright. Okay, kulale iphake lapha leyana kwakuthiwa i-Banda Square. Ngiyayibizwe after Hastings Banda upresident womalawi lowana ngeminyaka wayevele esegwelo laphana ebotshiwe ebotshele ezombangalo. So bayibiza ngebizo lake i-round ipark lena laphana. Kusekubuya le ngamaphaka angu-2 khonapha eLuveve la. Uchigumira lo yena lapho kulokhiza khona kathesi laphana. Mwilapho kwakulo Chigumira khonapha. Uchigumira madoda lingikhumbuza into yakudala. Uchigumira yena lo mina ngibuya lapha ngangisebenzele eLions Brookwood. Uchigumira laba babebuya bezothenga ibhokisi so elezwiti ukuthi bazofaka kwavele kungalalutho emagrosa phela lapha. Balutshwana babele mali ukuthi kona bangafaka njengama-supermarkets lawa akhona namhlanje. Uchigumira nguye first man ukuthi kona ayenze ibusiness lapha.
Asengajela ukulokhuza ukubala inklip. Anyway, ibizo lami nguThembani, Melusi okuphakathi. Abanye bambiza uZozo. Namuhla singikhaya eLuveve 5. Ngikhaya cause indawo encane kakhulu le. So I think ngizalitshengisa around ukuthi kuhamba njani eLuveve. So from lapho engikhona eLuveve, I think ngizalitshengisa kule ndawo ezinjengabo Gyros Jiri, swimming pool, Chigumira, ama-2K kwaZivilabe, ngathi Chigumira komatsika yaba wazi. But anyway, namhla lizawuli lami lo issue. Lesilitshengisa ikasi lethu ukuthi kunjani. Ngoba mina ngila-athesa uyabona abantwana nababonke abalezisuku bafuna iyathesa oyibonke abantwana nababalezisuku sebefuna iyathesa
njalo vele thina singakafike enkhambeni liyawubona umuzi lwana ukuthi kwakuthiwa kwaNgondola ya kwaNgondola namhlanje kuzokuye namhlanje lo angikwazi ukuthi kuke kwaba lomunye ubaba ukuthi ngudube nguyorene kwake kwaba le NGO yayifuna ukuthi yenze something khonapho ngiyabona kusaphumelelanga kodwa ke liyawubona umuzi lo wana uloko ukhona kuze ube namhlanje sawufica ukhona umuzi lo wana ukaNgondola i-cultural village.
Igama lami mina ngingubekezela Dube. Ngikhokhela uhlelo okuthiwa ngolwakosivuso kwakithi. Oluluhlelo lwenhlanganiso okuthiwa yisibi sabomthwakazi. Bengichasisa lapha nje ukuthi isibi sabomthwakazi kuyabe kuvela nga. Ngithemba lalizwe umuntu ethi isibi sakho sibi sibili uyabuthinta wena ngwakho so isibi sabomthwakazi sisukume ngohlelo lolu silenjongo yokubisa singathi indlela ezehlukileyo ezokuphila ukuthi abantu bangakhangela ukuthi ukuphila yikubopha ithayi uyefundisa kumbe yikubopha ithayi uye emsebenzini wesikhiwa hayi isiko lethu lona ngwalo kunenge elikuthweleyo esingasakusebenzisi so usivuso kwakithi ubebuya kuyinjongo yokuvuselela izinto leziyana ngoba izinto lezi zifuna ukuvuselelo zibekwe lapha abantwana bazibone bazicriticize kuyasebenza yini lokho kumbe akusebenza uyabona indaba oyichoyo mina manga ukusebenza nisebenzile khonapha labantwana lezikolo yabona ungakhangela ezikolo kathesi now I was the first person ukuthi ngifuqe umbono ukuthi kufuneka i-cultural village not izindlu zotshani yabona so thina sasifunani umuzi ngoba umuzi uzabulani ulomkulu umuzi uzabulesiphala umuzi uzabulesibaya yonke leyaninto konke lokhana kukhona so ufundani khona phana sufunda ukuthi ibhenki phela lena okuthiwa yibhenki yisibaya kumbe yisiphala because we are still battling within i-definition yama-terms isikhiwa sicabanga ukuthi sisifundile kodwa sisifundanga yilo uhlupho esilokhu esiseselayo yikho we are still trying to find the meaning kuma-terms ibhenki asonto entsha sasivele silayo kumele thina sikubone khonokhuyana and then sesibona ukuthi kusetshenziswa njani ukhulu wami mina ngahlala la wayengavukile mhla hlabe enye inkomo kusasa hlabe enye inkomo hayi even lesiphala ngambona ezinye iziphala zivaliwe kube lezinye ezisebenzayo ungabona sokuvulwa lesiyana emergency.
Okay, so currently we are at Banda Square with Uzozo and we've covered quite a number of places. First of all, we learned about the history of Luveve, then we passed by Luveve Cultural Village, which is a few meters just from Luveve Police Camp. Then we also went to Chigumira, which is a shopping center with different shops. You can also buy your meat, whether you want kango, that's it. So we'll be proceeding with Mr. Zozo. Now we are going to Esporo in the market. You're going to see Esporo, and this is one place where a lot of creativity in terms of business once happened, where people used to bring in horticulture products from as far as Nyamandlovu, Zambia, and other areas. As being estimela, and the people would actually do their trading there, Bekezela. And I believe it's still happening now, especially in Estimela Civic Falls. Abantu babuya la malahle coal from as far as Wange to come and sell here. So there used to be a booming market where everyone was selling almost anything and everything.
So yeah, Luveve, yazinto ziningi. Incane indawo ngikhona but I think ungakhalisisa like thina Luveve 5 lapha sile ndawo ezinjenga Kompofu. Kompofu bapenda ama murals ka Kelvin. the late. So laphana they're just trying to honor memory yakhe lento azenzayo ku music industry in general in the country. So I think akusiyo yedwa nje owayenza into ezikhanyayo music. Ukhona DJ Scoopy, the likes of Missile Kicks, even Exmo Squad emanated from Luveve khona lapho Sparko, you know, and the likes. And then still Luveve 5 laphana kule Chigumira. I'm not sure if it's still functional, but kule Arts and Crafts Center yama disabled persons. So I think town abathola khona esinye stock sabo esokuthengisa. And then moving towards Chigumira ngale esithenga khona emagross other than Kompofu. Kule indawo like Komatsika laphana kagcwala. And then mina engisithanda kakhulu very sporty kulaphana ku Samaz. Kuyangichaza because it's a bit quiet yabona mina ngithanda ungangiyagxokozela ebantwini. Then moving up usiya Old Luveve, the older side Old Luveve ngale kule ndawo ezinjengabo Thembani Old People's Home. Ngale kwabagcina khona abantu abakhulileyo, you know, abogogo bethu labokhulu bethu labana sebengani imizimba isavumi kangako.
Awu eBhayitoli kwakungena manje eBhayitoli kwakusithi kona abantu ababevele befuna ukwenza izinto zabo babebhuka kuze kuwe namhlanje bayabhuka, even ama church namhlanje bayabhuka nxa befuna ukwenza inkonzo zabo khona phana. Le klinika futhi eklinika laphana isingeyakudala futhi la eklinika lo muzi abantu abadala amaxhegu lezalukazi laphana. Indawo esazi ivele sithi thina nxa kusiba lemhlangano lathi siyabizwa siye khona phana. I-stadium vele yayo vele khona stadium lapha engaphandle le vele kule ngotsha eyayigombolisele i-ground lapha bayenzela kune practice lapha. So abantu babethanda ukungena ebhoreni, abanye bathanda ikakhulu nxa kule bhora e-stadium seLuveve okwakusiba eBhawa laphana. Yiko ngikukhumbula ukuthi kona mina kwakugcwala lapha vele wawungasoze uswele indawo yokuhlala ungangena eBhawa eLuveve ngoba amabhenji kwakulamabhenji amaningi kakhulu. Abantu bephuma eground laphana ungaze uthi uphuze kuyangena laphana wena uyafika uthola indawo yokuhlala kuphela. Abafuna ukuya phezulu laphana besiyanatha bephezulu laphana. Abafuna ukuthi baze nathele phansi laphana bayanatha bephansi laphana ngoba even utshwala besikiwa babukhona phansi laphana laphezulu. U-L Street lo vele nguyo ubaba esilana namhlanje siphose samunika elinye ibizo u-L Street nguye wokuqala civil ukuthi nxa iLuveve iNyuluveve isakhiwa le yiwo umgwaqo omkhulu lapha. So kwathiwa London Street asikwazi ukuthi kona vele ukuthi baze bayenike u-L. Thina sithe sibuya thina because mina ngile 23 years ngikuresident association. Sithe sibuya sisese labo zethi moyo wabhubaye lo kwakulo baba ohlala khonapho opposite mi ku 786 laphana uthiwa ngumzizi. Sasifuna ukuthi simnike ibizo lakhe ibizo ukuthi esimzizi Street. Sithe sisiya koBulawayo City Council yasitshela ukuthi kona hayi vele umgwaqo lo wawuvele uphiwe omunye into engazange yenzakale ukuthi kona kuchintshwe ibhakane laphana
So issue ezikhohle phela ukuthi lapha nxa umuntu ebuye esuke etown eBeluveve njengoba ngapha silama Uber silama Taxify.
Yeah, but all the same, I think it's about 12 kilometers from town to Luveve. It's about 12 kilometers. So obviously, when I was born in Josiah Primary School, then you are off to Luveve straight outside Koni. Okay, for me personally, I think there are quite a number of places of interest in Luveve, especially Ngomlono Chanda into the entertainment, be it music, be it alcohol, be it amaoso.
Yeah, but generally, Luveve is just a quiet place, you know. Yeah. Indawo ziningi ngekuzigcede in a day. So, you know, nxa uthi vele uzidingela indawo chilled, but you know, i-vibe lokhana for abantu abathanda unandi matsika ukhona, Arts and Crafts Center ikhona laphana. So, you know, in a day akwanisa ukuyichaya iqede, but still It another day ukuthi nje ungani uyabhoda ubone. But I think anyone ofuna uzochaya around mina ngikona Luveve le trusted mobile abuye siphongo bhoda nje sibona indawo, you know, ziningi indawo zokubona in a day sazibona siziqede.
Sure.
Yeah, I think so many sefika ngale uphela.
Komatika, the popular spot. So thank you so much till we meet again on yet another episode of Makriza Made Me Cook. Prince, I think the next episode futhi la Prince umele simvalele phandla.
Mina thokoza camako lesethi.
We need to akaphumule.
Datenda.
Yes.
Sike sibe ngama host. Same host la emagweko.